Joe Biden calls Trump's son sick for suggesting he's a pedophile and says Trump is petty for not wanting to hang Obama's portrait. Presumptive Democratic presidential candidate, Joe Biden, has slammed Donald Trump and his son Donald Trump Jr., saying the U.S. president is petty for not letting the White House staff hang Barack Obama's portrait in the White House until he leaves office, while also slamming Trump Jr. as a sick person after the president's son suggested that Biden was a pedophile. While talking about Trump's response to the COVID-19 pandemic, Biden went after Donald Trump Jr. for sharing a meme on Saturday that suggested Biden was a pedophile. The meme showed an image of Biden saying "See you later, alligator." An alligator responded with, "In a while, pedophile."